Welcome back to Big Joe's Outdoors, lunchtime fishing. It's raining a lot, but not bad. We're still going to try to hit the bridge and catch a fish. Keep getting told, sockeye are biting. This is pretty much what I can get my hands on when I was out at the thing, because it seems like they're biting everywhere and I can't catch them. But the bait store is out, so I'm going to give this a try. We're going to go ahead and throw our little gulp minnow on there, on top of it, and double rig this thing. This is going to have the weight so it can wiggle right. And the little fish is just going to be a top above it to attract and have some smell. So I'm gonna get this put together, and we're gonna see what we can catch, and I'll show you what I catch. All right, best standby. All right, I got this guy on the second cast. Ended up on the minnow, not the jig. We're gonna throw him back and try for another. We got him on the third cast. We got him on the third cast on this thing, but he jumped off when I got him up here. So I'm gonna have to get him back in the water. I'm gonna go for another one. All right, this is number 3. Same spot, next cast. We're doing quick. It's still raining. As you can see, water's messing up. Put him back. I'm gonna go for another one. Got another one. 2 casts later. That's number 4. We're racking up the numbers. All right, I'm at the end of the video here. Lost my bait. Not enough time to retie. Did catch another little gill, so I'm gonna turn him loose. And I'm gonna head on back to the shop. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and we'll see y'all in the next video. Bye bye.